I think they come out here every time it rains, right? Well, uh, just about every single time when it's almost Christmas, it has to rain. No matter, wow, even my light picks out the raindrops. That's kind of cool. Wow, I don't know. The last time it rained that I could remember was 1980. Uh, actually, no, not 1980, but 1985, 80 through 87 or something. Uh, I was living in Hawthorne at the time, and I remembered every single time Santa would come in his little trailer thing, handing out a candy cane, or I mean uh, a sucker or whatever. That would happen on every before Christmas, and it would rain even then too. So every Christmas that I can remember, it rained. So I just think that kind of ironic in a way. But I'm glad.